हेलो। Hi guys. One second. Hello, 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 hello. Hi Akash. Big fan, thanks. Okay. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Hello. Thank you. Okay, so before I start the session, I would like to inform you all, if you all have seen my video, there's this pretty gown which I've worn and that was sent by Shivali Fashion to me, and there's this contest. So basically you have to dance on my choreo on Afreen, you have to tag me, you have to tag them, you have to follow them as well, and 2 lucky winners will get such pretty outfits, and the deadline is next Friday. Yeah, so you all have 1 week to make covers, and do send it to me, do tag them, tag me. Okay, audible? Great. Hi Neha. The video is blurred. One second, I'll just clean the camera. Now, is it fine? I'll be starting the session in like 2 minutes. Please save the live. Yes, the live will be saved, but by chance, if it doesn't get saved due to technical issues, then I can't help it. Okay, people are joining in. Great. Again guys, see guys, if you all have private accounts, I cannot see your video until unless you send it to me on my DM. So please guys, if you have private accounts, do send it to me on my DM, and guys tag me also and use all the hashtags. Chalo, I'll just play the song once. Is the song audible?
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन में रखे चा चलाया तेरी ओर।
Chalo, great. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, chalo. This is not a sitting choreo, guys. So get up and let's dance. Okay, chalo. I'll start. Okay, so in the first step, you face behind and you'll go your left shoulder roll, right shoulder roll. So it goes left and right. Okay, wait. I'll switch off the comments. Okay guys, let's begin. So first step is you roll your left shoulder, right shoulder. Okay? So you left, right, and you step your right leg forward and you turn. So basically it is left shoulder, right shoulder, step your right leg forward and turn. While you are turning, you are looking down and then you look up. Okay? So it goes like 1, 2, 3 and 4. One more time slowly. Left shoulder, right shoulder, turn and look up. ठीक है? उसके बाद से the lyrics start. जाने कैसी बांधी तूने. 1 second. ठीक है? Now first part. We'll do on the hands first. It goes like right hand मेरा go behind. right hand, left hand together. So the lyrics are जाने कैसी. ठीक है, 1, 2 and 3. It is fast. One. Now I am doing 1 and look at my right hand. Go 1, 2 and 3. So it is जाने कैसी. You're bringing it together. ठीक है. Now after that बांधी. So you're here. You go 1 and 2. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Circle and forward as you're holding a diya. ठीक है. So it goes जाने कैसी बांधी तूने. Again circle, right hand नीचे से ऊपर आएगा and hold. Your left hand is down. ठीक है. So it looks like जाने कैसी बांधी तूने. ठीक है. Now I'll show the leg with this. While I'll do this, my left leg opens to the side. You go 1. Now while doing this, I look at my right hand. You go 1, 2, 3. Now while doing 3, I get my left leg forward. ठीक है. It goes 1, 2, 3. So it is जाने कैसी बांधी तूने. Now I'm doing तूने. I'll come forward. Like I take a wave. You go 1 and 2. ठीक है. It goes जाने कैसी बांधी तूने. It is तूने. ठीक है. One more time from the very beginning. ठीक है. 5, 6, 7 and shoulder, shoulder, step forward, look. जाने कैसी बांधी तूने. I'll just switch on the comments and see if I'm audible. Guys, audible? और एक बार करूंगी from the start. ठीक है. So shoulder, shoulder, step and look. जाने कैसी बांधी तूने. Okay, let me see. Audible? Great. Great. चलो. I'll switch off the comments. चलो. We'll do this one more time and then we'll go forward. ठीक है? It goes 1. Okay. Left shoulder, right shoulder. Step your right leg. Turn and look. Right, left together. Circle and तूने. ठीक है? Okay. Once you finish, जाने कैसी बांधी. Now I didn't बांधी. I go 1 and 2. So I go 1 and 2. So I go to side and up. ठीक है. बांधी तूने. Now अखियों की डोर. Very simple. Right hand, left eye से right eye पे आएगा. Right eye से left eye पे. So बांधी तूने अखियों की. Go right hand, left hand and down. ठीक है. अखियों की. Okay guys, this is mirrored. Okay, what is my right is your right and what is my left is your left. ठीक है. चलो. So बांधी तूने अखियों की. Now while doing अखियों की, I look at my hand. ठीक है. You go 1, 2, 3. I'll show you the legs. ठीक है. So look is very important. ठीक है. Look and down. Now while doing the look, I slightly go down. I bend. ठीक है. You go 1, 2, 3. So while I go 3, I come back to my position. Up. ठीक है. So you go down, up. अखियों की. ठीक है. Now वापस door. Now जैसे ये हो गया अखियों की हाँ. Door. Now hold and 1. You're forming a line. 1 and 2. So अखियों की door और. So 1, 2 नीचे hold, pull and 1. अखियों की door. Now with the legs I'll show you some bending down, back to my position, holding. While I'm holding, I'm again going down and 1, 2. When I'm doing open, close, I go 1, 2. Not ज़्यादा एकदम not Bollywood वाला. Go 1, 2. थोड़ा सा. ठीक है. So it goes अखियों की door. 1, 2. ठीक है. चलो. One more time from the beginning. Okay, come. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2 and turn. Look. जाने कैसी बांधी तूने अखियों की door. Getting or not getting? Switch on the comments. Are there any doubt till here? Any doubt? Any doubt? I'll show it on music. Any doubt? Slowly from the top. ठीक है. Guys, any doubt? No? ठीक है. I'll show it to you once on counts and then on music. ठीक है? Come. So you go left shoulder roll, right shoulder, place your right leg forward, turn and look. You go जाने कैसी बांधी तूने अखियों की. Keys down. Key. Do o o. Okay. Cool. I'll show it to you on music.
मन में जाने कैसी बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन में रखे चा चला.
Got it with the music. One more. Door वाला step. ठीक है. So you go अखियों की. When you finish 1, 2, 3. Now you play your. ठीक है. Hold. से छोड़ा. पकड़ा. Door. In out. ठीक है. अखियों की. Do o or. Okay. Yeah. Any other doubt? Got the door wala step from the start once again slowly. अच्छा ठीक है. Fine. चलो. Again slowly on counts. Left shoulder, right shoulder. Step your right leg. Look and 1. Right hand, left hand together. Circle and up. So right hand, left hand down. 1 and. No doubt. Good. So last time on music and then we go forward.
जाने कैसी बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन में रखे चा चला.
Cool. Chalo. Good. I'll go forward. I'm switching off the comments. Chalo. You finished. Akhiyon ki do o or. Now hands will go right hand, left hand. Man mera. Now by placing your right hand, your left leg will go behind. Man mera. Very simple. Step and step. So do o or. Man mera. Very simple. Khicha. Now I'll show you this way. You finish. Door, man mera, khicha. So I'm placing my left leg forward and my right leg I'm dragging it. Like literally dragging. Something is like khicha, na? So you have someone is pulling you. So you go 1 and 2. So your chest come forward. So you go 1 and 2. So do o or man mera khicha. Now hand is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so the body will come for 1 and 2. Okay, so door 1. Placing your left leg behind, right leg together. Placing your left leg forward and pulling it. Now my leg is this. It's not flat. It's this. Okay, and it is behind. It is not forward. It is not together. It's behind. Okay, one more time. Akhiyon ki do o or. Man mera खींचा. ठीक है. Now she says चला आया. Now you forget your right leg forward. You go 1 and 2. So it is चला आया. Place. ठीक है. So मन मेरा खींचा चला. It is only चला. So it is 1 and 2. Okay, चला आया. You're picking something from your right leg. You go 1, 2. Slightly hand will shift 1 and 2. ठीक है. 1, 2. Now again. मन मेरा खींचा चला. Okay, right leg आया. तेरी. Now तेरी you're facing on your right. ठीक है. तेरी is a or. You have to take a turn from your left shoulder. Or वन मोर टाइम, मन मेरा खींचा चला आया तेरी. The look is very important guys, okay? तेरी ओर. ठीक है, one more time. चलो 5 6 7 गो. 1 2 3 and 4. मन मेरा खींचा चला आया तेरी ओर. Good. चलो उसके बाद मैं add 2 steps and then I'll switch on the comments. ठीक है, तेरी ओर. तेरी ओर. मेरे चेहरे की. You open your hand and while opening your hand, you open your left leg and you take it behind. So it goes 1 simultaneously. ठीक है. You finish तेरी ओर मेरे. ठीक है. Open your hand and your left leg will go behind. मेरे चेहरे की. Okay. So मेरे. Now you get your left leg forward and you take your hand here. ठीक है. Your right hand is here and your left hand is down. ठीक है. It goes मेरे चेहरे की. Now मेरे चेहरे की. It is very slow, okay? It is not fast. चेहरे की. Now make sure you're showing your face. So you just give a very nice smile, okay? So it goes like मेरे चेहरे की. Very slow. की के पहले तो face should not come up. ठीक है? So मेरे चेहरे की सुबह. Now subha is you're feeling your right cheek. You go 1 and 2. Now while doing 1 and 2, right hand will go up and your body will go down. You go 1 and you're bending. Bending your knees. You go 1 and 2. ठीक है? So it goes मेरे चेहरे की सुबह. This comes on सुबह, not before that. ठीक है? सुबह. ठीक है? Then जुल्फों के. You take your hand above. Okay, now this is still joint. ठीक है? You go 1 and 2. So what did I do? I finished feeling my cheeks. सुबह जुल्फों के. क्या किया मैंने? Right, this is my right hand. You go 1 and 2. This is still joined guys. ठीक है? So it goes मेरे चेहरे की सुबह. Don't forget to bend and give a very. I close my eyes in this. So सुबह जुल्फों के. ठीक है? शाम. Very simple. Open. I go behind. Open your right hand. You go 1 and 2. Now while doing 1 and 2, I'm opening my left leg as well here. I'm straightening my right knee. So zulfo ki sham. I'm doing this. So you go 1. You have to make a circle. So it goes 1 and 2. ठीक है? I'll show it to you slowly. मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम. Now leg 1, only the leg 1 and 2. With the hand your 1 open circle बनाओ and your right hand is above. ठीक है? Wait, I'll switch on the comment section. We'll do this part again on counts and then I'll show you on music. ठीक है? चलो. Where did we start the second part? ठीक है. 1 2 3 and o. Lyrics क्या है? 1 2 खींचा चला आया तेरी. Look, turn. और मेरे 1 second. मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम. Okay? Guys, any doubt? Around circle 1 second. ठीक है? Yes, I'll show it on music. Okay, from the start also. ठीक है? Okay, doing it. चलो. From the very beginning. ठीक है? One more time. Left shoulder, right shoulder, and turn and look. ठीक है? 1 2 3. Because जाने कैसी बांधी तूने अखियों की डोर. मन मेरा खींचा चला लेग आया लुक तेरी ओर. ठीक है? मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम. Now I'm doing this हैंड विल गो यहाँ पे टर्न एंड यू go one. You're opening your hand, ठीक है? While you're opening your hand, you're opening your leg also. One. My right knee is straight, ठीक है? Sharp circle, this circle is another one and two. You end up here on this side. I'll show it to you on music from the very beginning.
जाना की तारे
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर मन में रखे चलाया तेरी ओर मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों की शाम मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार
Getting it. One more time on music, I'll show it to you. Any doubt? Guys, the live will be saved, but if due to technical issues it is not saved, then I can't do anything. Sorry. If any doubt, comment.
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर मन में रखे चलाया तेरी ओर मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों की शाम मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार से
Great. Any doubt? Any doubt? I'll show it to you one more time on music and then we'll go forward if there is no doubt. ठीक है?
अगर तो कंकड़ नहीं
And go.
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर मन में रखे चलाया तेरी ओर मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों की शाम मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार
Great. Got it? So I'll go forward. चलो switch off the comments. ठीक है. You finish. Sham. Your. ठीक है. Right hand is above. Then मेरा सब कुछ है पिया. So hand will go one and two. So forward and on your chest. The legs go one. So I'm placing my right leg behind and I'm getting my hands here and I just tap. I slightly tap my left leg. ठीक है? So legs go one and two. Hand will go open and together. ठीक है? So मेरे नहीं. मेरा सब. I forget lyrics. Okay. मेरा सब. ठीक है? One and two. मेरा सब कुछ. One second. Let me play the lyrics. I think I forgot the lyrics. I'm very bad with
से तेरी नया तेरी ओर मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों की शाम मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार से
Yeah, I was right. Sorry. Okay. So it goes. You finish. Sham. मेरा सब. ठीक है? मेरा सब कुछ है. So you go one, two. Take a wave and you look. Now while taking a wave, you look looking down only. Go one and two. So it was मेरा सब कुछ है. है we look up, not before that. ठीक है? So it was मेरा सब कुछ है. ठीक है? After that, finish. मेरा सब कुछ है. पिया up से. ठीक है? So you go one. The hand goes one and two. Now you stepping your left leg behind. Go one and two together. One and two. I'll do this. I'm slightly moving my shoulder also. ठीक है? Go one and two. So मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से. ठीक है? पिया अब से खत्म हो गया. This is तेरे नाम. देखो तेरे नाम. जैसे यहाँ पे कोई टैटू है, you show it to them. तेरे नाम. ठीक है? Your hand will move from here to here. Now make sure you're covering your eye in this. ठीक है? तेरे नाम. Now while doing तेरे नाम, your body weight is on your right leg. Now you have to shift your body weight from the right to left. Now how we do this? You go 1 and 2. Okay? So you lift yourself and you drop yourself. Now your body weight will be on your left leg. Okay? While doing this, I'll show it to you how. So you finish. मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम. Now by doing this, I'm shifting this. Simultaneously, I'm going 1 and 2. ठीक है? It goes तेरे नाम. ठीक है? Don't bounce literally. Go one very softly. The song is very soft and subtle. So go 1 and 2. ठीक है? तेरे नाम. ठीक है? One more time. मेरा सब कुछ है. You finish शाम. मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम. ठीक है? Very simple. Make sure covering your eyes in this, not down. ठीक है? तेरे नाम. After that, I'll show you the hands. ठीक है? You finish तेरे नाम. You go नज़रोने. ठीक है? So you finish this. This is my left hand. Left hand come down and up. So you finish तेरे नाम नज़रोने. Bring it down. तेरे. I'm shifting my hand from my from my left to right. Sorry. ठीक है? तेरे नाम नज़रों ने तेरी. तेरी में shift your hand. Okay? Very slow. नज़रों ने place and तेरी. So it goes like तेरे नाम नज़रों ने तेरी. Now I'm placing तेरी. Again I shift my body weight to my right leg. Finish तेरे नाम नज़रों ने तेरी. ठीक है? Make sure you're pointing. Just don't keep it flat. Okay, it looks very bad. Okay, so नज़रों ने नहीं तेरे नाम नज़रों ने तेरी. One more step. Okay, one more thing. When you finish 1 and 1, 2. Make sure your right hand is here, not down. ठीक है? क्योंकि उसके बाद वाला step is feeling the hand. You go 1 and 2. It goes नज़रों ने तेरी छुआ. So you finish 1. You finish 1 and place it here. Right hand here. ठीक है? I'll show it in music as well. So तेरे नाम नज़रों ने तेरी छुआ. ठीक है? One more time. ठीक है? I'll show it in counts first. Where did we end? We ended here. ठीक है? So मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम नज़रों ने तेरी छुआ. So my hand goes नीचे से लेके ऊपर छुआ. Make sure you're looking here. I looked behind in the video and that was not visible. So make sure you're looking on your left arm. छुआ. ठीक है? चलो, I'll show you in music this part. Revise from the start. 1 and
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर. मन में रखे चलाया तेरी ओर. मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम. मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम. नज़रों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ.
I'll show it to you more. I'll switch on the comments. I'll show it one more time.
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर. मन में रखे चलाया तेरी ओर. मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम. मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम. नज़रों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू.
Getting it? We'll do one more time on music from the very beginning. If any doubt, please comment. Chehra part once more. Okay, so you're here. Mere. So placing your left leg behind, opening your hands. Mere चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम. ठीक है? Okay. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Getting it. Cool, on music. Chalo, from the very beginning.
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन मेरा खिंचा चलाया तेरी ओर, मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार से तेरे नाम, नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ.
Okay. Okay, any doubt. नजर होने वाला स्टेप वन मोर टाइम, ठीक है. सो यू गो मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम. ओके, तेरे नाम नजरों में. So your नाम, this is your left hand, this will go down, this will come up, go open, together, shift and feel. One more time, तेरे नाम नजर. Make sure your face is visible. You go 1 and 2. One more time, तेरे नाम हुआ नजरों ने तेरी छुआ. You can place your hand on तेरी छुआ. ठीक है? We'll do it once more on music and then I'll add someone. ठीक है? चलो, last time on music and then I'll add someone.
तूने खिंचा चला जाने कैसे बांधी तू जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन मेरा खिंचा चलाया तेरी ओर, मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार से तेरे नाम, नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ.
Great. चलो, I'll add someone. Whom should I add? Okay, let's. Guys, if you all want to come live, send me a request. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Guys, if this doesn't work, then I'll go forward. Waiting for someone to join in. Hi. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You have the music? Or should I play?
You play.
Acha, theek hai, I'll play. Chalo.
Can you see me? Can you see
Yeah,
me?
I can. Go behind. Yeah. Okay? Five, six, 7. Okay.
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन मेरा खिंचा चलाया तेरी ओर, मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार से तेरे नाम, नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू.
Sorry, I messed it up a little bit.
It's okay, but you were so good.
Thank you so much. You're looking very pretty.
Thank you so much.
I'll surely make a cover.
Yeah. Do tag me and do tag Diwali fashion as well, okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much. Oh, so cute. Okay, chalo. We'll quickly go forward, guys. I'll add other people. dictator so that I can save IGD एक ही हो. Okay. So I'll go forward. I'm switching off the comments. Okay. So you finished. तेरी छुआ. ठीक है. Then तो है ये जादू हुआ. ठीक है. You go 1, 2. So right hand, left hand. 1, 2, and 3. So you go right, left, way. You're taking your way. You're going up first. You go 1, 2, and 3. Open. ठीक है. 1. तो है ये जादू हुआ. Now while doing this, my leg is here. ठीक है. Left leg, you're getting your left leg forward while you're placing your right hand. You go. तो है ये जादू हुआ. Now while doing this, I'm going up. See, I'm lifting myself up. While I'm doing this, I'm getting myself down. So you go. तो है ये जादू हुआ. Then उसके बाद में 1, 2 in a circle. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, down, down. This is a break, not go. Go 1 and 2. ठीक है. So you finish. नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो. तो ठीक है. तो है ये जादू हुआ. होने. Again you're lifting yourself up. होने लगी हूँ. ठीक है. I'm doing this. No, I'm looking towards my right hand. I'll tell you why. ठीक है. होने लगी हूँ मैं. Now मैं will look forward. होने लगी हूँ मैं. Now हसीन में what did I do? I came forward because my hair was all flying and all that and like that. What you can do is you can just give a very good smile. So it's a hasiin. Okay. So I think smile is the strongest accessory. Okay. So you can just give a very good smile by doing होने लगी हूँ मैं हसीन. If you don't want to smile, alternative, go 1, 2, 3, 4. But you know what, guys? I think you should smile more. Like, I think you should always sing the song you're dancing on. You should always give a very good smile. If you give a good smile, if you don't smile in your any covers, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Finish. Teri chua. Right, left, way, open. Up, up, tuck, tuck. And do. And hasi. So you can do anything. You can go hasi. What is that is up to you. Okay? One more time. Okay? So, अब से तेरे नाम नजरों में तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ. होने look towards your right. होने लगी हूँ मैं हसी. ठीक है. Cool. I'll go forward. उसके बाद there is this beat. There are I think 10 to 12 beats. Tuck 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 tuck. I'll show it to you on music. Did you hear that ting 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 last में? उसमें what you have to do is you finish हसीन. Again alternative for हसीन. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. If not, just give a good smile. ठीक है? हसीन and ting 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 ting. You go behind. Ting 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 ting. Turn and now you have to face yourself this side towards your left. ठीक है? Then the main chorus. आफरी आफरी. ठीक है? One more time. You finish हसीन. Go behind. Ting ting ting. Now when going behind, just don't go 1, 2, 3, 4. It was very bad. You slightly hop and just you bend and you go one while holding your outfit. Okay, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn and okay. Ting 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 ting. Last thing should come here. Okay. Now this afri afri. Very simple. Go 1, 2. You hop. Okay. Hop and I'll show you the legs first. 1, 2. Then you go 1, 2. Stepping your right leg. 1, 2, 3, finish, free. Your left hand will come here, so you can place it here, but it's not like flat, okay? Just don't keep it flat or don't keep it this way. Keep it थोड़ा in a अच्छे से, ठीक है? बाएं और इधर बाएं, what is comfortable to you, ठीक है? Good. Free, hand will come here, your right hand will come here. You go from up to down. 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है? One more time. Free. ठीक है? Then free. You have to turn. Take 2 rounds. I'm turning from my left shoulder. You go 1 and 2. Now you face this side, on the opposite side. ठीक है? One more time slowly. Free. Now make sure this is visible. If you do 1 and 2, it is not going to be visible. So 1 and 2. ठीक है? Free. Free. ठीक है? It is 1.5 circle actually, and you're facing the opposite side. So same thing, you have to do the opposite side again. Free. Now while doing on this side, you are shifting your, you're placing your right leg. The leg facing the audience as we move. ठीक है? Now you have to go 1 and 2. So left leg 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same thing for the opposite side. ठीक है? So you finish circle and circle again. Free. Now hand. और यहाँ पे left hand यहाँ पे right hand रहेगा. Hand. Left hand here. Same thing. 1 and 2 and. ठीक है? One more time slowly. Free. One more time, then you have to take circles 2 times more. I am turning from my left shoulder. If you are comfortable turning from here, it is still fine. If you want to take like 2 turns, you can turn from my left shoulder. If you want to take 1 slow turn because of a heavy outfit and anything that, it's fine. You can turn slowly as well. Okay? What's the time? Take it. Good. So, free. Anything is fine. 2 or 1 circle. ठीक है? Then again, free. ठीक है? Then you go. Your hands will go 1, 2, 3, 4. So left, right. While you're doing this, you'll come forward. Your legs will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Together it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ठीक है? So this is the third half free. ठीक है? 1 half free, 2 half free, free. ठीक है? One thing, I'll just switch on the comment section. We are almost done. Any doubt? Last 2 steps and then we are done. I'll show you on music. Itna. I'll show some kind of noise around is coming and can't hear the speaker properly. Not clear, not audible. Okay, one. Guys, now is it audible? Am I audible? Okay, one more time I'll show it to you. ठीक है? You finish. तेरी छुआ. Am I audible now? छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ. By placing my right hand and placing my left leg forward. We go तो है ये जादू हुआ. होने लगी हूँ मैं हसीन. Ting 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 ting. Afri. Now don't jump before the afri. ठीक है? Afri. You're placing your right leg forward. You go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hand will go left hand here straight, right hand here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're taking 2 circles. We can do spins. You're going from the left shoulder. ठीक है? Going from the left shoulder. You go 1 and 2. Same thing on the opposite side. Afri. Now right hand, left hand here. Moving your left leg. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 or 2 circles. Whatever is up to you. Am I audible now? Guys are not audible now also? Oh God. अच्छा ठीक है. I'll be here and I'll not go behind. So you finish. नज़रों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ. होने लगी हूँ मैं. Look. हसीन. Smile. Go behind. Ting 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 ting. Circle. Afri. ठीक है. Jump and left hand here, right hand here. 1, you're moving your right leg. 1 and 2 and wait. ठीक है. उसके बाद में take 2 spins from your left shoulder. 1 and 2. Same thing on the opposite side. Hold your outfit. Afri. Right hand, left hand here. Moving your left leg. 1 and 2 and 2 circles or 1 circle. What is up to you? Go 1 and 2. Again Afri आता है. Afri. Now you do 1, 2, 3, 4. While doing this, you go forward. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I audible now? Forward. Guys, am I audible now? Wait, I'll just switch off the fan and come. Audible? Audible. I'll show it to you on music. Any doubt, guys? Any part which you didn't understand? Great. Any part you didn't understand? There are more 2 steps. Okay, we have like 10 minutes left for 1 hour to get over. So I'll finish this and then we'll take people on live and do it on music multiple times. Okay, I'm switching off the comments. Okay, so you finished 1, 2, 3, and 4. And होने लगी हूँ मैं हसीन. Go going behind. Na 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 na. Afri. Now after that, it's simple, very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding your outfit. You take a 1, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. This goes Afri. Now this last Afri. In that, I leave it up to you guys. Whatever you want to do, it is up to you. But what I did is, when I finished, Afri. One more time. I came forward, walking slowly. Afri. Then I turned. Afri and ended here. This is my right hand. I'm looking towards my right hand and my leg is here. Okay? When you finish this, so go Afri. Anything. Okay? Then just take a turn. Afri. I think I do 2 turns. Yeah, I do 2 turns. 2 spins and then you go. Ta. Now this is the end of the song. I'll show it to you on music. Okay?
जाने कैसे बांधे तूने अखियों के डोर मन में रखे चाल चलाया तेरी ओर मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार से तेरा नजरों में तेरी छुआ तू है जादू होने लगी हूँ
Okay, switching on the comments. God, Garmi. Okay, guys, is the music audible now? No doubt. Any doubt? By the way, the choreo is over. Okay, we'll do on music. We'll do it on music. I'll keep it also. But we have more 8 minutes left. So what we'll do is I'll revise from the very beginning on counts and then once on music. Okay? Chalo. First step, you go left shoulder, right shoulder, place your right leg forward, turn and look. Do not forget the look. Okay? Did I switch off the comments? Okay. And look. You go one. Opening your right hand, simultaneously opening your left leg. जाने कैसी बांधी तूने अखियों की. So you go down, down, up. Door. While in the door, you go down and 1, 2. So you go 1, 1, 2. Make sure. Just make sure you're going down, down, up. Okay? अखियों की. Now don't forget to look also. अखियों की डोर. मन मेरा. Left leg, right leg. मन मेरा खींचा. Drag your right leg. ठीक है? खींचा. चला. Okay? आया. So चला is right, right together. Together and forward. ठीक है? आया. आया. ठीक है? आया. तेरी. तेरी में. तेरी is a loop on your right. तेरी. Good. ठीक है? Turn. Then you go. मेरे चेहरे की सुबह. Open your hands. One. By opening your hands, your left leg will go behind. मेरे चेहरे की. By doing this, your left leg comes forward. ठीक है? मेरे चेहरे की सुबह. This is not सुबह, not before that. ठीक है? So मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के. 1 and 2. And still here. सुबह जुल्फों के. Sorry. शाम. Bend in this. ठीक है? शाम. Make sure you are completing a circle. शाम. You're facing this side. मेरा सब कुछ. 1 and 2 hand. Legs will go. Open your right leg and slowly tap your left leg. Go. मेरा. Looking down. सब कुछ है. है भी look. सब कुछ is the way. है look. मेरा सब कुछ है. पिया अब से. Left leg is going behind. पिया अब से तेरे नाम. Your body is shifting from your right leg to your left leg. 1 and 2. ठीक है? मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम. ठीक है? नजरों ने. नहीं. नजरों ने तेरी छुआ. One more time. तेरे नाम. नजरों ने तेरी छुआ. तो left leg is coming forward. तो है ये जादू. वो अब हुआ. Come down. Again go up. होने लगी हूँ. You're facing your right hand. होने लगी हूँ मैं. Look. हसी. Smile. Whatever you want to do. हसी. Tongue, 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 tongue. Go behind. Tongue, 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 tongue. Turn. ठीक है? Afri. Do not jump before Afri. ठीक है? Afri. Left hand, right hand. Moving your right leg. 1. Afri. Afri. Turn from the left shoulder. Afri. Same thing. Free. Right hand, left hand. Move your left leg. Free. Free. One more and jump. Free. Come forward and doing 1, 2, 3, 4. So, free. Free. Just एक वेट. Free. ठीक है. उसके बाद में simply walk. You can walk behind also. ठीक है. It's not necessary that you walk forward. You can walk behind also. Free. Free. Take 2 circles. 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you're looking up in this and stay. Okay, guys? Okay. Cool. We're done with the choreo on counts also. Guys, you know what? There are only 3 minutes left for this live session to end. So what I'll do is I'll go offline and I'll come again. Then we'll do it on music. If any doubt, let me know. Do not go away. Okay? And yeah, I'm going off and then coming back. Cool? Chalo.